Just imagine, guys, if you suddenly got a power that let you stop time. How would you use it? Something very similar happens to our main character, Ben. The story kicks off with a couple, Ben and Susie, who are caught in a heated argument. The fight gets so bad that Susie breaks up with Ben and walks away right then and there. The next day, Ben goes to college and sees Susie with another guy. Ben tells us that just yesterday they were together and promising to stay by each other's side forever. But today, Susie is with someone else. Yesterday she was kissing him and today she's kissing someone new. That's when Ben's friend Sean shows up and tells him he needs to pick up a beautiful girl so that Susie feels jealous whenever she sees them together. But Ben tells Sean he's just not in the right headspace to start a new relationship. Later in his art class, Ben can't stop painting portraits of Susie. He misses her so much that he calls her one night, asking if they can get back together. But Susie shuts him down, saying she's already moved on with someone else. After this, Ben falls into a deep depression, thinking about Susie day and night. Because of this, he develops insomnia. He just can't sleep. He tries everything, but no luck. To pass the time at night, he starts reading books or watching TV. One night, he heads to a grocery store to pick up some stuff and notices a sign saying they need staff for the night shift. Since he couldn't sleep anyway, Ben figures working there is the perfect way to pass the time. He interviews with the manager and gets the job. Starting the next night, Ben begins working at the store. He has a co-worker named Sharon. Ben notices that whenever Sharon is late, the manager calls her into his office to harass her. Ben explains to us that time moves incredibly slow in a supermarket. To make the shift go by faster, the employees have their own tricks. Sharon, for example, puts tape over her watch so she doesn't keep checking the time. Besides Sharon, there are two other guys, Matt and Barry, who spend their shift doing stupid pranks and messing around just to kill time. Eventually, Ben finds it so hard to pass the time that he actually develops a superpower. Ben can freeze time. Whenever he does, he undresses the beautiful girls in the supermarket and starts sketching them. Ben believes that women are the most beautiful creation in the world, which is why he only draws them. This becomes his way of passing the time. And when he unfreezes everything, so much time has passed that he barely has to do any actual work at the store. A few days go by, and one day Sharon comes up to him. Ben pulls a sandwich out of his locker, and Sharon mentions she's starving and asks for a bite.